the 2003 Toyota Avalon. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3-liter, 6-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: fully automatic headlights, tilt steering wheel, and power windows. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.